Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. And today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels. This is a Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. This thing is cool. Hot Wheels Green Speed number 5 out of 5. This is a series of fully electric or solar-powered vehicles that do not run on gas or diesel. New for 2021 on USA card, 217 out of 250 for the year. And this is GRX36 from MK's. Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, born 2018 in Yokohama City, Kanagawa, Japan. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Designer is Nissan. This 100% electric all-wheel drive race car has twin motors that together produce 322 horsepower and 472 foot-pounds of instant torque directly to the wheels. This instant power allows the Leaf Nismo RC to rocket from 0 to 62 in a blazing 3.4 seconds. Had no idea that a Nissan could go that fast. Okay, Hot Wheels Green Speed is solar-powered and electric vehicles that prove you don't need gas to speed past the competition. This is a very cool casting. Scored this at a Walmart a couple days ago. Nice clean open there. Scored this at a Walmart a couple days ago, and I think this is a really cool casting. Unbelievable. Those wheels are very quiet. They spin great. Alright, let's take a closer look at those details. Here's a nice look at this Nissan Leaf. I had no idea Leaf Nismo could go 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, but we got some Redline PR5s, which spun very quietly and independently. I really wasn't expecting the wheels to spin that great. Nissan Intelligent Mobility, and we got some side tampos there. And this vehicle is very cool. You can see this actually has painted headlights and grille and logo. Love this metal flake gray electric Nissan. There is the other side. The entire top, the entire canopy is all plastic. And you can look inside the interior there. It's a little bit hard to see because of the glare. I mean, this casting is gorgeous. And on the back, they even put the Nissan logo, and that is not a tampo, that is part of the cast. Very cool that they actually put some side tampos and front tampos. That is not common at all. And Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, this is the new edition, a new car for 2021. And as you can see, 2020 is a copyright, made in Malaysia. Very cool. Oh, great drifter too. And also, all the gray, even the spoiler is diecast, the base is plastic. Thanks to everyone that tuned in, and subscribe for more.